Welcome back to the channel where we transform ordinary homes into spaces that feel both stylish and inviting. Today, I'm sharing 10 affordable home decor items that can completely upgrade your interior without spending a fortune. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, these simple additions can instantly bring a sense of luxury, warmth, and personality to your space. 1. Decorative wall art and prints. Let's start with wall art and prints, which are among the easiest ways to make a space look intentional and stylish. A well-chosen framed print or canvas can become the centerpiece of any room, drawing attention and adding personality instantly. You can pick a theme that reflects your style, from minimalist designs to abstract art, nature-inspired prints, or even personalized family photos. The key is to create a visual focal point. Even a small wall frame, when placed thoughtfully, can make your walls feel expensive and curated, giving your room a designer touch without a high price tag. 2. Mirrors. Mirrors are another affordable item that can completely transform a room. Not only do they make a space feel larger, but they also reflect light, instantly brightening dark corners. You don't need a huge, ornate mirror to make an impact. Even a small decorative mirror above a console table, dresser, or fireplace can add depth and sophistication. For a modern look, choose mirrors with unique shapes, metallic frames, or geometric designs. They're functional, stylish, and surprisingly budget-friendly. 3. Wall shelves. Floating shelves are not just practical, they are a subtle yet impactful decor piece. These shelves allow you to display your favorite items like small plants, candles, books, or collectibles in a way that feels intentional and elegant. Layering objects of different heights and textures can turn a simple shelf into a mini art installation. Shelves can also help declutter surfaces while adding a design element to your walls, proving that style and functionality can go hand in hand. 4. Lighting, table, lamps, and floor lamps. Lighting is a powerful tool that can completely change the mood of a room. Adding table lamps or floor lamps is one of the easiest ways to create a cozy and inviting ambience. Soft, warm light instantly makes your home feel comfortable and welcoming. You don't need extravagant fixtures. Even a modest lamp on a side table or in a corner can elevate the entire space. Try mixing different light sources, like combining a floor lamp with accent lighting to create a layered, professional look. 5. Fairy lights and LED strips. For those who love a touch of whimsy or want a modern vibe, fairy lights or LED strips are perfect. Affordable and versatile, they can highlight shelves, frame mirrors, or even outline a ceiling to create a soft, ambient glow. LED lights are especially great for living rooms or bedrooms, where they add warmth without overwhelming the space. Pairing them with other lighting sources can make your home feel magazine-ready and cozy at the same time. 6. Cushions and throw pillows. Soft furnishings like cushions and throw pillows can completely transform a sofa or bed in seconds. Swapping out old pillows for new ones with bold textures, patterns, or colors can refresh a space instantly. Mix and match solids, prints, and fabrics for a layered, high-end look. Even just 2 or 3 new pillows can make a sofa look brand new. Don't forget to coordinate them with your curtains or rugs to tie the room together and create a harmonious, cozy vibe. 7. Throws and blankets. A soft, luxurious throw draped over a sofa or chair is more than just cozy. It adds texture, depth, and a touch of elegance. Throws in warm colors, chunky knits, or elegant fabrics instantly make a room feel inviting. They are budget-friendly, functional, and can be changed seasonally to give your space a fresh look throughout the year. Even a simple throw can make a living room or bedroom feel layered and stylish, like something you'd see in a designer catalog. 8. Decorative trays. Small accessories can have a surprisingly big impact, and decorative trays are a perfect example. Placed on coffee tables, side tables, or dressers, trays help organize small items like candles, books, or plants, making everything look curated and intentional. They are functional, stylish, and add an instant sense of order. Choosing a tray with a metallic finish, marble texture, or unique design can also add a subtle touch of luxury without a high price tag. 9. Vases and indoor plants. Bringing greenery into your home is one of the most effective ways to make it feel alive and welcoming. Indoor plants, whether real or high-quality faux ones, add freshness, color, and texture. Pair them with modern vases to create a polished look. Even a single large plant in a corner can elevate the entire room, making it feel more dynamic and thoughtfully designed. Plants aren't just decorative, they also improve mood, air quality, and the overall vibe of your home. 10. Scented candles and diffusers. Finally, never underestimate the power of scent. A home that smells good feels immediately luxurious. Scented candles or diffusers not only fill your space with calming fragrances, but also double as decor items when you choose stylish holders or jars. Placing them on a coffee table, dresser, or bathroom shelf adds both ambience and style. It's a small, affordable touch that makes a huge difference in creating a welcoming, high-end atmosphere. So there you have it, 10 affordable home decor items that can completely transform your interior. From wall art to lighting, soft furnishings to small accessories, each of these items adds a layer of style, personality, and comfort. Which of these decor ideas are you most excited to try first? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More tips and hacks come your way to help you make your home look stylish, cozy, and unique. Thanks for watching.